everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this year, it's 2026, I will still be using the same. So yeah, this is Roaring Celebrations by Dash of Sun. I'll be doing my memory planning. We're using this for the new year of 2026, yes. So yeah, I did get the kit and also the add-on deco. So do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so let's get to the rest of the base. So I did use this like washi pattern. So pretty. The colors of this kit are so beautiful. And as usual, I put it the wrong way, but anyways, that's fine. Let's just go on with the plan with me. And then I'll be putting down this big foil sticker. So this is another add-on foil that accompanies the kit if you want to add it on. And yes, it's so pretty. I just love the big stickers from Dash of Sun, especially the foil stickers that she makes. And then I'm combining once again the big stickers with the full boxes. So I think I just used 2 full boxes for this spread. I wasn't actually going to use this kit because I have 2 other like New Year's kit from Dash of Sun, but unfortunately I didn't buy like the rest of the deco kit or the deco add-on. So I'm like, oh, good thing this was here. I had this in my stash, so it's really great that I can use this for the new year. I think this came out like maybe last year. I'm not sure. Like early last year maybe, or like the previous like 2 years ago. I can't remember anymore. But I do love the colors of this kit. I was wanting to use it for like a 4th of July kind of spread, but then it also works out for the New Year's because of the fireworks, and yeah, just the vibe is so very New Year. So yeah, that is it for this base. Just putting on the big stickers and then some foil and some florals, of course. So I'll talk to you in the day today. All right, so let's start off with Monday. For Monday, so this is the 29th of December, leading up to the new year, and I still was on my break from work. So, of course, all I did was film some, plan with me's, which is good. I love this. So, I was still doing like my October spread. Yeah, so yeah, pretty late this time. And then I was also able to film my January bullet journal. So I really love doing those bullet journals. So yeah, I had a fun time doing that. And then I was watching Culinary 100, and oh my gosh, they left us on a cliffhanger, which was like, why? So if you watch that, it's the one with the black spoon, white spoon, like Korean chefs. They're so good. I mean, I just amazing what the chefs can do in like a certain amount of time, and like the challenge that they have to go through. But then they left us on a cliffhanger. Had to wait, I think, for like another week or so to for the next episodes. So yeah, that was what we were binge watching, and then it was snowy in the morning, so there's a lot of snow. It was a snowy day. That snowy day script is from Blissful Jayde Designs, and most of my scripts here are from Blissful Jayde Designs. So if you do want to get some customized scripts, you can go to her shop. I have them linked down. Do I have them linked down below? Yeah, most likely in my link tree. All right, so where are we now? Okay, we're already on the 30th. I went on a grocery run. We went to Costco, and then we went to I went to Books in a Million because so BAM, Books in a Million. Books a Million, is that what it stands for? But anyways, I bought some books over there. They have like the cheap books, like the same like book outlet kinds of books. Um, and then also today was my daughter attended a birthday party, and oh my gosh, started to snow like on my way to pick her up, and it was so scary because it's like dark, and then it was slippery. But anyways, I was able to drive safe, and the place that the birthday party was held is like even like a faraway place, and it's like kind of dark going to that area, so it's like yeah, but I survived. I'm still here. All right, and then this is already New Year. Oh my goodness, I'm already on the 31st. So this was the New Year's Eve. We did watch which one is that? The one with the heist kind of movie. It was now you see me, the part 3 one. We were able to watch that, and then what else did I do? Oh, I did shop for like FSA stuff because our FSA was going to run out by the 31st. So I did shop some things there from the FSA store. And of course, we had a nice dinner, or nice like pre New Year's feast with, I forgot already what we ate. But it was, the Filipino fare that we usually have. All right, so it is now 2026. It's New Year, so we did stay up till like, when it like past 12 midnight. And then, of course, that's why I was able to sleep in this time. And I was also reading or listening to Heart the Lover, which is like a contemporary fiction book about, literary, this two guys and a girl, and it's a pretty it's a pretty deep kind of it's not deep, but it's complex kinds of relationships that these three people go through about in their life. So it's another character development kind of thing that I like reading about. So that was really good. I like that. And then I was able to film a plan with me. All right, so let us go to Friday. Oh my God, I'm already on Saturday in my thing. All right, so I did read Babel, however you call it, and it was so good. This is like so like it just opens your eyes to stuff that happened before, and it's still happening now. Like it's like a fantasy book of sorts, but it also deals with how people are treated, people of color. So yeah, it's such a good read. And then we were watching, oh, I was watching Shrinking on Apple TV. I haven't continued it. It's really funny. The one with Harrison Ford and the guy with from How I Met Your Mother. It's pretty funny, but I haven't continued it. So let's see if I'll continue it again. And then I got a Starbucks run. And then on Saturday, I was still reading Babel, and then I was started listening to Alchemized. Oh my gosh, that book is so tragic. But yeah, it's such a thick book as well. So yeah, oh my gosh. And then I was able to upload, and then I was able to work out. Yay! I was still reading Alchemist, and I was also reading Dungeon Crawler, this other book. Oh my gosh, I'm just reading, filming, watching. That's it for this whole week. I'm running out of time. So yeah, this is it for the first spread of 2026. It's so beautiful. This is Roaring Celebrations by Dash of Sun. I don't think she sells them anymore, but hopefully she'll bring it back. It is in gold foil. And yeah, I hope you continue to watch my spreads. I still love doing this thing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.